Hi, I'm Samuel. I am in the Pure Science program, and it's my last session at the Cégep of Saint-Hyacinthe. I had classes on chemistry, physics, biology, and math. Especially, I prefer physics and math. The next year, I will go to the University of Sherbrooke in the electrical engineering program because I want to be a renewable energy engineer. But for now, I need to complete my college course and pass all my classes. To pass my classes, I need to use all the options that are at my disposition, like some internet sites. One of my favorite and useful sites is MapleSoft. MapleSoft is a site who helps you when you have a problem in Maple. But let's start with the beginning. A lot of homework, works, or exams are in Maple. Maple is a symbolic and numeric environment and also a multi-paradigm programming language. Maple is used to calculate visualization, data analysis, matrix computation, connectivity, and much more. Almost all of the problems in maths and physics can be solved by using Maple. In my screencast, I will show you two problems, one in math and one in physics, that I will do in Maple and which will be solved by MapleSoft. Then, I will show you how MapleSoft works. MapleSoft is the #1 tool when you have some problems in Maple. Forget about the forum or blog, you need MapleSoft to fix a problem in Maple. When you arrive on the main page, you need to click on Supports and Resources in the navigation menu. After, you click on Maple Online Help. In the left side of the page, you have a lot of options. Example, in mathematics, we have general information, algebra, basic mathematics, and much more. After in physics, we have tetrads or vectors, and much more. So go on Maple, and after we'll use MapleSoft. Here I have a math problem. I need to draw the graphic of the differential of the function f, so I write the function f, I write its differential, and after I need to enter the function that will show me the graphic. But there is an error. I will fix the problem with MapleSoft. So I go in MapleSoft and I write plot in the search bar. Because plot is the name of the function that show me a graphic. So I scroll down until I found an example of my function. Here I find the example. Then I just need to find what is wrong with my function and fix it to have the same model of the example. There is the plot, the function, a comma, the variable, and the range of the graphic. My error is in the range of the graphic. The variable and equal, the minimum, 2 dots, and the maximum. Let's see if I have the same thing in Maple. I forgot to put the range. Now I know what is the problem with my function and I can fix it. The minimum, 2 dots, the maximum, and let's see if it works. Good. After, I have a problem in physics. I need to calculate the voltage with the equation of the voltage in volt is equal at the resistance in ohms times the intensity in ampere. I need to do it with Maple by using a for loop. So, I write the code and after I click enter. But there is a problem. I made an indeterminate loop and I can copy and paste the error message in MapleSoft and I need to find the problem. I copy and paste the message and after I put MapleSoft. I need to find the error with my loop. Oh, I forgot to close the loop by using the undo message. I just need to add it to my function. Now I can test it. Good, MapleSoft fixed my problem. Thank you, and I hope that my screencast will help you.